We've talked about why condensation would occur on the ducting and piping insulation layer in our last video. So how to get it resolved? Well, let's analyze from multiple dimensions like materials, accessories and tools, and installation craft. Remember to like, follow, and collect. First, high-quality insulated material. Durkflex exclusive ACMF technology increases the elastomeric insulation cell closure rate greatly and reduces the thermal conductivity. The unique cell closure structure forms high moisture resistance factor. The ACMF tech makes the cells more even, and the insulation material has a higher moisture resistance. Through continuous innovation, Durkflex has introduced a brand new thermal insulation material, Durkflex, which adopts MVP technology, achieving the entire improvement for thermal insulation materials' comprehensive performance. The insulation material heat release coefficient is increased through the accurate control of the surface coefficient under the same working conditions. The exclusive rough textured patterns of Durkflex make it hard to form dew on the surface, increasing the anti-condensation performance greatly. Second, the exclusive accessories technology. The autonomous polymer composite adhesive, colorful composite sealing tape can be collaborated with elastomeric insulation materials. The exclusive high sealing flange strip technology effectively prevents air leakage, solving the condensation issue. Besides, the installation craft matters a lot too. The professional installation skills can play a better role in insulation performance. The ducting insulation achieves the uninterrupted 45-degree diagonal cutting skills through the whole procedure. Follow us. Our next video is coming soon.